Hi friends, before watching this video, please like my video, subscribe it and press the bell icon button for more videos. Now today, let's revise about the chapter number 1 similarity standard 10. First of all, properties of triangles. There are three properties, property number 1, 2 and 3. Property number 1 states that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Second property, the ratio of areas of two triangles having same base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And property number third, the ratio of areas of two triangles having same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. These are the three properties. If you revise properly these three properties, then we can go with this example. Now example number 1, practice set 1.1. Example number 1. Suppose the base of a first triangle is 9 and corresponding height is 5. Base of the another triangle is 10 and corresponding height is 6. Then find the ratio of that two triangles. First triangle to the second triangle. This is the example number 1. In textbook given that example. That read carefully. And how to solve this problem? First write given. What is given? Here A1 and A2 are the areas of two triangles. Like this you have to consider. Because names are not given in that statement in question. Consider first triangle. Area of first triangle is A1. Then base and height consider B1 and H1. So B1 is equal to 9 and H1 is equal to 5. Consider area of second triangle is A2. Then corresponding bases are B2 and H2. So B2 is 10 and H2 is 6. Now base and height given. Then how to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles? We have to use which property? Yes, correct. Property number 1 you have to use. So property number 1 says, what says that you have to write the ratio. We know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of corresponding bases and heights. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of corresponding bases and heights. This is the property number 1 that we have to use. Now we know that A1 and A2 are the areas. The ratio of first triangle to the second triangle A1 upon A2. That is right, or therefore right. E is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. B1 into H1. This is first triangle. Because first triangle we are considering numerator. Then their corresponding bases and heights B1 and H1. That also writing numerator's place. That is very important. Now A2 is in the denominator's place. Then the bases and heights corresponding to that triangle must be in denominator's place. That is very, very important. We are making mistakes there also. So B2 into H2. This is very important. Only learning these properties, no use of that. According to property, you have to write mathematical equation, mathematical formula. That is very important. And according to that, you have to substitute that values. E is equal to B1 is what? 9. Don't make any mistake. Carefully. Otherwise, keep finger like this and write here. H1 is 5. Then write here 5. Whole divided by right. Before that is equal to. Towards is equal to. You have to write division sign. Don't write ups down. Means you can understand what is numerator and what is denominator. This is the division line. The sign of that division. Upside is numerator, downside is denominator. This we will not confuse. Now B2 is 10. Multiplied by here. H2 is 6. Now you have to calculate different methods. Some students 9 5 are 45. and 10 6 are 60, right? Instead of that, we have to simplify here only and we can find 6 and 9 is 3 stable. 6 and 9 in 3 stable. Then we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Same way, 5 and 10, this is numerator and denominator. We can cancel. How to cancel? 5 and 10 in which table? 5 table. So divide. 5 1s are 5 is equal to right 0 equal. Now, what you got questions? 3 and 1. 3 multiplied by 1. Don't write 31. Here multiplication sign is there. So 3 into 1 is 3. Divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, A1 upon P is equal to 3 upon 4. So we got ratio. A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now question is what? Find the ratio of these two triangles. So right below that. Therefore, ratio of two triangles is equal to 3 upon 4 or 3 is to 4. Like this, you have to write answer, full answer. Now try to understand second. Here figure not given, here figure given. So, not necessary to take A1 and A2. We are given names of the triangle. What is given in example? Example second, figure has given in book, textbook, means in question. That read properly. Here, BC perpendicular to AB is BC perpendicular to AB, which makes 90 degree. So, triangle ABC is right angle triangle. AD perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB. This is also right angle triangle, so makes 90 here. BC is equal to 4 here. I am writing here 4 with pencil you have to write. AD is equal to 8. Here AD is equal to 8. Now by observing, now this is given, figure is given. What you have to find? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AD. That you have to find. Means the ratio of areas of two triangles you have to find. So property number 1, 2, 3. In which property we have to use according to given? Anyone? Correct. Property number 2 or 3, because base is same, so their ratios are corresponding. Here, AB is the base, means AB is the common side to both triangles. In triangle ABC, AB is common. In triangle ADB, AB is common. So AB is considered base. And heights are what? For this base AB, height is BC because it makes 90 degree. For side AD, AD is the height of this triangle. AD. It makes 90. So this is height. These are the perpendicular heights. BC and AD are the perpendicular heights. So heights are given. So base is common. So the ratio of areas of two triangles having same base, property number 2 you have to use. Having the same base, then the ratio is equal to their corresponding heights. This you have to use. So before that we are writing the property. We know that the ratio of areas of two triangles having same base BC, which base here? Sorry, same base AB. Here base is AB. Is equal to the ratio of corresponding heights. If students not necessary to write this short form, in short form also we can write afterwards I will show. The ratio of areas of two triangles having the same base AB is equal to the ratio of corresponding heights. Now try to understand. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AD. Here base is common AB. So the ratio of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding heights. Now heights are what? Here triangle ABC in numerator place. So that height is what? BC. That also what? In numerator's place. Now area of triangle ADB it is in denominator's place. Then triangle ADB's height is AD. That also what is denominator's place. This is very important. And afterwards you have to substitute that values. BC is what? 4. AD is what? 8. Now you know how to simplify. 4 and 8 in 4 table. So 4 1 is 4 2 is. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now this right answer. Therefore, area of triangle ABC or divided by area of triangle AD. This is your answer. This is final answer. This is asked in example. What you have to find? Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADB that you have to find. And given is what? AD is the common base and BC and AD are the heights. So problem number 2 we used. Now in another method, this is not necessary to write. In short we can also write. See this. This you have to delete. Not necessary to write this property. Some students know they can write easily. They learn by heart suppose or while making statements. But property number 1 must be necessary. Property number 2 and 3 not necessary to write. Directly, first write given, figure not necessary in book or in question given. First write given and directly write here. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AD is equal to BC upon AD. Why? Because AD is the common base. Here write triangles of equal base. Continue this way. Triangles of equal base. Which base? AD. So the ratio is corresponding heights. And fill the value. Here write given. And then find the answer. This is also correct. Now try to understand third example. Now property number 3 on that you have to make yourself. But on property number 3 the example like this it will come. If heights are same, then find the corresponding bases like this it is. That I will not show you. You have to try. Now example number 3. AD and BC are the parallel lines given. AP perpendicular to BC given. Observe carefully and according to figure, explanation also given. AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC like this given and figure also given. What you have to find? Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BC. That you have to find. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BC. Is to means divided by. Divided by means numerator upon denominator. Means area of triangle ABC it will come on numerator and area of triangle BC it is in denominator place. So actually you have to find the ratio of areas of two triangles only. So which property we have to use? Find out and observe and tell. Property number correct 4 you have to use yesterday before that session given. Property number 4 you have to use. What says property? The ratio of area of two triangles having same base and same height. In property number 2 same base. In property number 3 same height. But in property number 4 the ratio of areas of two triangles having same base and same height. Base is also same and height is also same. Then that time the ratio is always unity. Unity means 1. Otherwise 1 is to 1. 1 upon 1 is the ratio. So that you have to use. Now what you have to write? Here explanation given AP perpendicular to BC, AD parallel to BC. Here in triangle ABC and triangle BC. In triangle ABC and triangle BC. What is the base? Common base in BC. While reading ABC, BC is coming. While ABCD repeating BC. So BC is the common base. BC is the common base. And what is height? AP is the height of triangle ABC. AP is the height of triangle BCD also, because this is perpendicular. AD and BC both are parallel lines, so distance between any parallel lines is anywhere same. The distance between any two parallel lines is perpendicular distance you have to take. The perpendicular distance between any two parallel lines everywhere same. The example is bars of the windows. In classroom there are windows. Bars of windows, these are the powerful example. Parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between anywhere it is same. So with parallel. So what that mechanical, that those who are making that steel, how he knows mathematics. So that windows they are preparing that parallel. They don't know the word parallel, but they are making by taking help of protector 90 degree, or they are having that steel scale. According to that they are measuring 90 degree and making that bars. Another example, rails on railway line. Rails, you know, train goes on the rails. The distance between that two rails, the distance between that two rails, anywhere same, in Kolhapur, in Mumbai, in Calcutta, anywhere same. Otherwise, you know what will happen. In next newspaper tomorrow it will come. So that you have to know. So these are the rails on the railway line. Train goes on that. Suppose the distance between anywhere, AP is suppose 9 meter. Then here also anywhere taking distance, then it will get 9 meter only. So perpendicular distance is same. So triangle height of the triangle ABC and triangle BCD, anywhere it is like AP only. So common height is AP. So AP is the common height. Try to understand. Please try to understand. Otherwise, in another word, I will explain afterwards. After this method finished. Once again, repeating. AP perpendicular to AC, AD parallel to BC. In triangle ABC and triangle BCD, BC is the common base and AP is the common height. Therefore, we are using property number 4. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BC. Area of triangle BC is equal to, directly we can write 1 upon 1, otherwise BC into AP, BC into AP, then BC into AP, BC into AP, both are cancelled. Any method we can write. I am writing BC base and AP. For this triangle, base BC and height also AP. So AP cancel, BC cancels. So 1 upon 1 means 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 or 1 upon 1. And final answer, according to question, that answer asked like this. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is, these two means 2 dots. Area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. They want like this answer. So, what is question? According to that answer. Here don't you like it. This is your answer. But they ask area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is what? Then 1:1. That ratio of that two triangles is 1:1. That makes it clear. Means while writing solutions of any problem, what is given? That try to understand according to figure. And what you have to find according to that, use formula. And while writing, write as many as reasons. Calculation to correct. And according to question, write answer. This is very important with unit. Here unit is not there, so I have not written. Here reason. What is reason? Triangles having same base and height. This is the reason that you have to write. Because why? For reason getting half mark. This is one way.